Welcome to Daily Dose of Parenting. Today we're delving into the intriguing world of infant mobility. Did you know that your little one will master not one, but two unique types of rolling over during their motor development journey? This isn't just an endearing trick, but a significant milestone typically occurring between 3 to 6 months. These two stages, rolling from the tummy to the back and vice versa, are integral to their path towards independent movement. Each stage has its own set of hurdles and victories, setting the groundwork for future advanced motor skills. So stay tuned and get ready to cheer on your tiny champion as we explore the captivating process of rolling over. In order for an infant to roll over, they must first develop the necessary neck strength, which is encouraged by an activity known as tummy time. The first phase of rolling over typically involves the infant transitioning from their tummy to their back. This movement primarily capitalizes on the baby's innate weight distribution to facilitate the process. The second phase, which is the act of rolling from the back to the tummy, is a bit more demanding and usually transpires slightly later. This action demands superior coordination and strength as babies need to synchronize their arm movements with the rest of their body in order to shift weight and propel themselves over. The cultivation of these skills is intrinsic to the progress of motor development. The role of caregivers in this phase is indispensable, as their support is central to this learning process. As a caregiver, it's important to step up the level of challenge in accordance with the infant's readiness and comfort with movement. Make sure to keep track of the baby's signs of physical ability and interest, and adjust the level of difficulty gradually. Safety is paramount when infants are practicing rolling over. Ensure that the practice area is safe by using a flat, soft surface such as mat on the floor, and keep the area free of hard objects and potential hazards. Encourage rolling by incorporating engaging tummy time activities and using toys to motivate turning and rolling over. Position toys to the side to stimulate them to turn their head and body to reach for them, which can naturally lead into rolling over. The act of rolling over not only improves a baby's physical capabilities, but also enhances their confidence and provides them with a new perspective of the world, thereby encouraging further exploration and learning. This milestone a thrilling time for both the baby and parents, signifying step in the journey of growth and development. The unique challenges presented by these milestones, coupled with support and encouragement from caregivers, enable babies to safely and confidently navigate their journey to mobility. We truly hope you found this information enlightening. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos on child development.